Hey Nash, what should we make?
Well, I want some pizza and some sausage and some meatballs. Let's make pizza sausage balls.
All right, let's make pizza sausage balls. Today, we're making another installment in our Tailgate series, something that's great for game day. Don't get it twisted. Also great for any gathering, any appetizers, or just a snack for you or you and your family or you and your friends, whatever. Delicious, easy, comes together real quick. Today, we're making pizza sausage rolls. Sounds weird, but they're like meatballs, but it's sausage and it's pizza. So it's like if pizza and sausage and meatball had a baby. Anyways, whatever. Maybe not the best analogy, but either way, gonna be delicious. And hey, without further ado, let's go. We start with 2 cups of Bisquick, or the generic facsimile thereof at whatever grocery store you're shopping at. Then we add in 1 pound, 1 pound of Italian sausage. I feel like I need a bigger bowl. So after transferring this to a larger bowl, and we add in about a cup or a little bit more of diced pepperoni. Then 2 cups of shredded or grated cheese. This is a mixture of mozzarella provolone. You could use mozzarella and Monterey Jack, pretty much whatever you wanted to use. 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, just a little bit of salt, pepper, garlic, a tablespoon of Italian seasoning, tablespoon of tomato powder. If you don't have tomato powder, you could leave it out. You could use a little bit of tomato paste. It's up to you. And now we just mix this all together. All right, once everything's combined, we kind of set this aside and then we clean our workspace. So now at this point, you wanna make sure your smoker or oven is set to 350. Smoker is probably the cooler, more fun way to do this, but I'm gonna do it in the oven just to show everyone because I feel like more people have ovens than smokers. So I wanna make sure this is a very relatable, easy recipe for everyone to do. So either way, get a cast iron skillet, a little bit of oil, and then we take some sort of scoop like this, or just your hands, it doesn't really matter. We want to scoop out kind of hands is better. Something like that, about a golf ball sized piece of our mixture. Just throw that in there. There we go, and we just sort of wash, rinse, and repeat. Once your meatballs are all formed, and again, sausage balls. We probably could do this a little better. I don't know. Let's take some of this guy. And they don't have, you know what? Make them as perfect as you want them to be. They don't have to be perfect. Try and give them a little bit of space, but it is what it is. So and then we throw this in our smoker or oven at 350 for about 20 minutes. Then we're gonna flip them and then go for another probably 15 minutes. So gonna throw these in. All right. I definitely made these too big, so it is what it is, but these are gonna fall apart a little bit, but we're trying to flip all of these. You see, the ones I didn't mess with are doing just fine. These are the ones I messed with earlier, so don't, I said 20 minutes because that's what I thought it would be, but leave them in until they're ready to release. You can see all these are turning over nice and perfectly. So yeah, don't mess with them until they're done. It's all gonna depend on your smoker, on your oven, but let them go until the bottom is nice and crisp and they're ready to release. Nah, don't pay any attention to these. They're a little bit, but that's okay. So yeah, the moral of the story is don't mess with them until they're ready to flip. So it could be 20 minutes, it could be 30, it could be 35, just depends on the size of your meatballs and all sorts of other stuff. But now we're gonna throw these back in the oven for another probably 15 minutes. Make sure they're nice and done, and then we'll be ready to roll. Ready to serve. And there we have our pizza sausage balls. Oh yeah. Time for a bite. You want to serve these with a little bit of a marinara dipping sauce. I'll go ahead and post that down below, the recipe for that. But just kind of dip these guys. Cheers. It's like a sausage and a meatball and a pizza had a baby. It's really delicious. You got that sausage, you get the pepperoni and the mozzarella and that kind of pizza taste, and it's all just in a perfect little kind of 2-bite deal. So super good. Highly recommend. 10 out of 10. Make this for your next tailgate, your next party, your next gathering, your next block party, whatever you got going on. Make it, serve it to people. So good. But hey, let's see what Nash thinks. Hey bud, how you doing? Hey, check it out. We got this little pizza sausage balls that you requested. But here you go. What do you think?
That is delicious. I'll eat all of them.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
An empty vessel makes much noise.
No disagreements here. Nash approves, I approve. Go ahead and give this a try. Totally recommend it, and it's worth it. Hey, thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate you all. Love you all. If you wouldn't mind taking a second to like, share, subscribe, it would really mean a lot. Help us out a lot. If there's anything you want me to cook, you want me and Nash to taste, go ahead and drop that down in the comments. Or head over to our website, timschaoskitchen.com. Send us a message there. And hey, just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Until next time, peace.